Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price was moving in sideways range along with an upward trend line breakout indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, white metal price has broken its nearby resistance at $31. Expect upside target till $31.85 and $32.90 in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $30 and break below will act as a trend reversal. MCX Silver price has broken its important resistance of 90,000 level and given a positive close, signal positive strength in the counter in upcoming trading session. However, key resistance hold at 90,300 level and break above will surge the price further up till 91,400 and 92,600 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 88,500 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.